everyone, good evening. Welcome to another session. Beta, आज I am taking the Ummeed series. In this Ummeed series, I want to focus on the questions which come in these entrance exams. Right? Every one of you has doubt in one particular kind of questions. And which are those? They are the passage writing questions. ठीक है बेटा? So a passage would be given to you and you will have to go ahead and answer a few questions based on that. Let us try to see how such questions can be answered. There are two techniques which I tell my student. First one is, first read all the 4 or 5 questions given to you regarding the passage. Then go back to the passage and read the passage. So you have in mind कि ये questions है. ठीक है? Or read the passage and just underline the important pointers. And then, go ahead and see what the question is. So let's see the question first, beta. This is the first question. And I can clearly see this question is asking me about green electricity. Let's see the second question once. This is the second question and I can clearly see that this second question is asking me about impure public goods. ठीक है बेटा? Let's look at the third one. This is the third question and I can see that this question is asking me about offset of emissions. About offset of emissions. ठीक है? Let's look at the next question. अभी के लिए हम सिर्फ क्वेश्चन देख रहे हैं. Our aim is not to solve those questions, just to get कि क्या क्या तरीके का क्वेश्चन आया है. Green good. Okay. And let's look at the fifth one. The fifth one is again related to the way in which consumers can produce a green product. In which consumers can produce a green product from a brown product. ये 5 questions पूछे गए. So green product from brown product, green good, offset of emission, impure public good and green electricity. अब हमें एक दिमाग में है, these are the questions that have been asked. Now let's start reading the paragraph. Start beta. There is considerable evidence that some consumers are willing to pay more for green goods. Green goods define नहीं किया गया. To produce green goods, we need not use skill and human resources. तो क्या नहीं चाहिए हमें? Neither skill nor human resource. Underline it beta. Green goods. अब उन्होंने define किया. What are green goods? They are the goods that are manufactured in an environmentally friendly way. तो पहली definition मिल गई है. What are green goods? Those goods which are manufactured in an environmentally friendly way are called green goods. अच्छा बेटा, let's go back. Let's see. ये तो green electricity है, impure public goods, offset of emissions, example of green good. बहुत जल्दी आने वाला है. We have studied what are green goods and the last one that I had, which I don't know where it has gone, was from green to brown, है ना? So we will have a look at that also. Okay, come back. So now it says example wood products from sustainable forest and electricity produced from wind power, etc. So we now know some examples also. What are those examples? They are wood products, right? And they are electricity produced, but this electricity should be produced from wind power. Okay beta, look at the next one. Without a direct impact on the consumer. These are referred to as impure public goods. Next definition आ गया बेटा. A package of private good and public good. So now they have defined what are impure public goods. So we know the second definition also. We know examples of the green goods also. आगे देखो. Why consumer are willing to pay more for these goods is complex. Whatever the reason नहीं बताया है. It is clear some consumers are willing to pay more for green action that do not benefit them directly. तो क्या बोल रहे हैं कि consumer ग्रीन गुड के लिए ज्यादा पे करते हैं. क्यों करते हैं नहीं पता. Why they do so is not clear. बट ये भी क्लियरली बोला गया है कि वो उनको डायरेक्ट बेनिफिट नहीं देता। ग्रीन गुड किसको बेनिफिट दे रहा है? एनवायरमेंट को, कंज्यूमर्स को नहीं दे रहा डायरेक्टली। ओके, वन एग्जांपल ऑफ ग्रीन गुड, प्लीज अंडरलाइन बेटा, इज ग्रीन इलेक्ट्रिसिटी। इस पे भी एक क्वेश्चन था, सो वी हैव टू आंसर दिस। ग्रीन पावर इज सिंपली, डेफिनेशन आ गई, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी प्रोड्यूस्ड यूजिंग रिन्यूएबल सोर्सेज ऑफ एनर्जी। कैसे बनती है ग्रीन एनर्जी? Electricity produced using renewable sources of energy. Of course, electricity itself is completely indistinguishable from green, non-green electricity. तो ये क्या बोल रहा है कि एक बार इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बन गई, once electricity is produced, then I cannot tell कि green electricity कौन सी और non-green कौन सी है. But we know that green electricity, however it is being produced, has been environmentally friendly. ठीक है बेटा? There are two ways in which consumers may buy green electricity. ये पढ़ना शुरू करते हैं। कैसे खरीद सकते हैं? Either by buying it directly or by contributing to cost of building the green electricity capability. तो या तो जब green electricity को produce करना है, उसकी capacity बढ़ाने के लिए आप पैसा दो, या जब वो बन गई है तो वो खरीद लो। These are the two ways defined, है ना? Okay. Consumers are clearly willing to spend more on green electricity and their preference for underlying the word green production is indicated by recent rise in the popularity of retail carbon offsets. Offsets पे क्वेश्चन था, अब हमें ध्यान से पढ़ना है। Offsets of emission have been long used by firm to buy and sell obligation to reduce emission. तो अगर समझो ध्यान से क्या बोल रहा है, offset of emission मतलब मैंने emit तो किया कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, बट अब मुझे उसको ऑफसेट करना है। जो भी मैंने पॉल्यूशन क्रिएट किया उसको ऑफसेट करना है। तो वो ऑफसेट करने के लिए फर्म्स बाय एंड सेल करते हैं एमिशन को रिड्यूस करने के लिए। ये ऑफसेट्स खरीदते हैं, दे बाय एंड सेल द ऑफसेट्स ऑफ एमिशन टू रिड्यूस द एमिशन। एग्जांपल देखते हैं। In the US, new emitters setting up a business in an urban area have to offset their emission addition by finding existing firms to reduce their emission. तो अभी तो recently we had this launch of iPhones in which they were talking about zero carbon print, है ना? तो we know that you need to reduce the pollution. So what this line is saying is that suppose you are establishing your factory and you know that कि इस factory को establish करके कुछ pollution हो सकता है, तो simultaneously आप 2 trees उगा दो to offset that. Right? So you emit pollution, but you also offset it by growing 2 trees. That is what it is saying. In the recent years, firms have been using offsets to effectively reduce their emission in order to provide, क्यों कर रहे हैं? To provide green image, particularly in case of carbon emission. The purchase of offset by consumer is different. When consumers buy offset, they are making purely voluntary contribution. ये क्या बोल रहा है? ये बोल रहे कि देखो कंज्यूमर तो खुद से गंदा नहीं कर रहे ना। आई एम नॉट क्रिएटिंग द फैक्ट्री, आई एम नॉट causing pollution. Still, I can be a volunteer and say, अच्छा, I will also do something to offset the pollution. This is what it is saying. Retail offsets are a way in which consumers can produce a green product from a brown product. तो green product कैसे बन सकता है? brown product से। brown मतलब one which is bad for environment. Green should be one which is good for environment. How can you do that? Through retail offsets. For example, one can make his part of the flight carbon by paying someone else to reduce his carbon emission. ठीक है? This is formalized in an offset. This is formalized in an offset market where sellers of offset reduce emission and sell these reductions. Almost हमें पैराग्राफ पूरा क्लियर हो गया। क्वेश्चंस देखते हैं। बेटा फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, ग्रीन इलेक्ट्रिसिटी मीन्स, तो क्या पढ़ा हमने? व्हाट इज ग्रीन इलेक्ट्रिसिटी? इट शुड बी प्रोड्यूस्ड यूजिंग रिन्यूएबल सोर्सेज ऑफ एनर्जी। ये प्रोड्यूस यूजिंग रिन्यूएबल सोर्सेज ऑफ एनर्जी। सो आंसर शुड बी ए। इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, दिस इज the electricity produced from renewable sources of energy. Okay बेटा, come to the second question. Impure public goods, ये भी हमने ऊपर पढ़ लिया था, we had read it here. So where did we read it? Here. Somewhere here was this. Impure public goods. Package of private and public good. ठीक है बेटा? So we know that answer should be C. Package of private and public good. Okay बेटा, come to the next one. Offset of emissions are used. तो offset से क्या करते हो? You are going ahead and reducing emission. Are you going ahead and adding emission? नहीं. We are not adding emission. We are just reducing emission. So emission addition is not correct. Are you doing a green image? Yes, we are producing green products. This is correct. Are you going ahead and satisfying consumer preferences? Yes, because हमने यही पढ़ा that consumers they have preference towards green products. Why? Not clear. वो एक complex reason है why consumers prefer the green products. But we know that consumers have been preferring green products, right? So ये था ना, to provide a green image, particularly in case of carbon emissions, and we also said that consumers prefer it. So therefore, beta, the answer to this question should be A, B, and D. That means the third one, right? Look at the next one, beta. An example of green good is, again we studied two examples of the green good. So examples क्या थे? Those were wood products and wind power. ये दिए हुए थे examples of green good. So we can go ahead and mark this answer as wind power. This is correct. This is an example of the green good and solar energy also. But यहाँ पर ना, this should have been A, B, C and D. ठीक है? So all green products are those which are helping us to save the environment. Okay, I don't know where I lost the fifth question in between, but it was related to retail offsets, right? So we have already seen that retail offsets are a way in which consumers can produce green product from a brown product. So just try to understand this paragraph writing also. These are very, very important for your exams like IGIDR. Even in GATE, you know, they can give you a paragraph and ask 1-2 questions. And in MSc and in CDS, you may get paragraph related questions also. Okay, beta, thank you.